Good morning. I am currently in my homestay. The rest of the group have gone on a hike. My leg is really swollen last night and this morning. I had a bug bite last night, and I'm allergic to mosquitoes. And this one of my leg is about the size of my hand. No joke, it's about the size of my hand. It's pretty big and it's pretty sore. So I said that, you know, I'm just going to sleep in this morning, rest it, because the heat isn't doing it any favours in this heat, in this temperature. It's really not. It's making it so much worse. They've gone to go and do that, and as you can hear, it's pissing it down. So I'm quite happy that I made that decision. I've got a little lie in and I'm all dry, and I've got to have a nice shower, and they're all soaking probably. So there are 3 homestays. There's 4 of us in each, because there's 12 of us, and then our guide has their own little house thing down the road. So yeah, so there's 4 people to each homestay, and we've all got our own mom, our own dad, and none of them can speak any English, so it's really difficult if you don't have someone with you that speaks a little bit of Spanish. So one of our group does, which is great, but me, I'm just going with the hand gestures and the signs and just trying to break the ice. We're not staying in the house, we're staying in basically our own little like side room thing. So this room has so it's like an extension to the house. So there are 6 beds in here. There's only 2 of us, and they all 2 of them have nets over them, so which is great for me. I slept in this one, which has the blue net over it, and my roommate's a little bit taller than me, so I gave her the double bed. I woke up this morning and there was a cow outside my door. Like an actual cow, like literally a metre away from me. It's quite funny. So today we're going to the Volcano National Park. Volcano National Park, I think. So that'll be fun. So I'm glad I rested my leg today because I really want to see that. Oh, here we go. Happy cow. Wow. Which one do you want? You can choose. That is... Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is so nice. I'm sorry. How cool is this room? Like, I've gone from a single bed in a homestay to a princess bed within 24 hours. What is this madness? And my roommate has one as well. Like, this room is freaking ridiculous. And the whole resort is just stunning. Stunning. I can't wait to have a look at the pool later. We're gonna go out for dinner, so I need to get out of all this. And put something else on, but yeah, we have our own espresso machine. Don't even drink espresso, but my god, just because it's here I kind of want one. And we have a hammock. Not really the weather for it, but yes. your own fish and then they'll cook it for you. So this is apparently going to be one of most expensive meals of the trip. It's fair, it's only like $10 a meal that I could eat. National Park. We had such a good sleep last night. That room is amazing. The beds are so comfy. And it was a bed and breakfast, so the breakfast was free. We had quite a big breakfast, so I feel pretty full up. I feel ready to go today. I've been feeling really tired the last couple of days, so after the homestay where I was a bit anxious, but it turned out alright. I was quite happy to have a hotel night. So, but we are having a bit of a hike today in Volcano National Park. It is a dead volcano, so no worries there. Last thing I need. My anxiety couldn't cope with that, I think. So yeah, we're gonna have a little hike. We're gonna go to a waterfall where it's supposed to be like turquoisey blue, which will be pretty. And then hopefully going tubing later, but it depends on the weather. That sounds terrifying.
Yeah. So it's all thanks to the bone, the hyoid bone or the advanced apple. So this, well, let's move through.
It's like out of a horror film.
Sounds like a horse.
There's a berry growl like the normal one, and there's a lower one that's usually a juvenile male trying to make the sounds. So yes, it's the hyoid bone or the dance apple. This monkey develops that bone 15 to 20 times bigger than normal. That's why if you put attention, the male always gonna have a massive throat. Females doesn't. So that bone is gonna be there. After that, they inhalate the air. They don't exhalate. So.
These steps are going to kill me.
They're not nice.
I'm absolutely dying from these steps. Damn knees. My knees, man. How are we doing? There's more? There's more!
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna laugh!
Tenorio was active approximately back in the 1800s. We know that there were two massive eruptions, but after that we haven't found other period or active periods of hemp. When it comes to volcanology, Costa Rica is still what's called in diapers or in papel and just beginning or just starting. So yeah, there's still a lot to work. That's why there's a lot of people studying right now out of the country, mostly in the Asias, to prepare themselves and come over here and make more deep research too.
I convinced myself that I wasn't going to do this long hike. I always do this. I have a really bad knee and I have a really bad ankle from hockey injuries, and I use it as an excuse every single time because I also feel embarrassed about my weight and my that I'm unhealthy, I'm unfit, I don't really go to the gym that much anymore because of my ankle issues. I sit at a desk most of the day. So yeah, I just felt a bit like I just didn't want to do it. And I just don't want to hold the group up and slow the group down, and it just makes me feel really embarrassed. But I'm glad I did it now. River was beautiful, but it's just more the self-accomplishment that the fact that I did it. And now I'm just having a little stroll back. I can reward myself now with a jacuzzi, swimming pool session, and maybe an ice cream or something. This is the ground I'm walking on. Some kids just come shooting past me, now I feel rubbish. Like, he's literally just sprinted up all those steps. Great. Feel old, unfit, brilliant. So we've just come back from the national park, had a bit of a shower, but more of a kind of a rinse because we're going to the jacuzzi. I'm very excited. So we're gonna have a nice little chill in the jacuzzi for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to dinner. Some of the guys are going on a night walk. I feel like I've done enough walking for one day. Not gonna lie, don't really want to do it. So yeah, we're gonna meet up for dinner later. Come on, you two, vámonos! Come on, people! Hey! There it is, hello jacuzzi.